Hello everyone, welcome back to the IT class. In the last video, we have covered our last topic, that was selection of the non-consecutive items. So here in this video, we'll be covering rest of the topics, rest of the uh, points, rest of the the chapter, right? Next one is selecting a vertical block of text. So selecting a vertical block of text, you can see on your screen on the left side, this image is given to you, right? So what does this mean basically? This is you in a normal selection. While selecting, let me show you. I have written this for you. How I have written, just very simple. How what you will be writing? S number, then pressing tab. Tab means 8 spaces. Then class, then physics, chemistry, right? So while pressing enter, I have written 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so name, pressing tab again. So like this I have written the name. Okay, by pressing tab, different entries, but row wise, like line wise. Okay, so consider this example. I am selecting from serial number here, so you can see very clearly that the whole lines, all the lines are getting selected at once, okay, while dragging. But here in the chapter they told us selecting a vertical block of text means you have the possibility, you have the facility to select only the serial number column or the name column or the class column, like this. Okay, but here we are unable to do. What you have to do before selecting the vertical blocks of selection, you go to edit, selection mode, click on the block area, right? Then you are able to select in a column method. Okay, you see this clear? So you can easily like a blocks, you can easily copy it. Okay, see this in the form of blocks, you can copy. Here also you'll be able to block it in the form of copy in the form of blocks. All right, you want to go back to the same place, you click on the standard. Now the whole in the form of paragraph it will be selected. Clear? So this was selecting a vertical block. Next is find and replace, very much important. Find and replace. Suppose let me open that previous document for you. So suppose I want to find the shape word in the whole document. So what I'll be doing, I will press the shortcut key, right? In other word processors, in other word processing softwares, we are having a shortcut of pressing shift F5 or F5, right? Especially in MS Office. But here we'll be just pressing Control F. Okay, Control F will leads to appearing the find and replace window. Here you can see this is search for shape, and corresponding to that we have two buttons, that is find or find all, that is search. Okay, and next is replace with, we'll be writing the word which I want for as an answer, and corresponding to that we have replace and replace all, means two tabs are given. First is find, second is replace. So with the find we have two buttons, find and find all. With replace we have two buttons, replace, replace all. Okay, next is match case or whole words only. So let's take, I want to find shape, so I have written shape, find. So it was here also and the shape was also here, find. Again I'll be pressing find. So it will give me, the writer has searched to the end of the document. Do you want to continue from the beginning? Yes, yes, I'll be again searching from the beginning. Shape again, find, find again. Okay, so these two have come. So next is I want to replace this shape with ship. Okay, SHIP in capital letters. So what I'll be doing, I'll click on replace. This has been changed. Again, this has been changed. Okay, start again. Search key not found because the shape word was 2 and we have changed all of them. Right now is business. So I'll be writing BUSINESS, right? Business, and match case. I'll be pressing match case. I'm just searching and press the match case. Case means the uppercase or the lowercase. I have written in all the lowercase business. Let me find. Yes. No. No search key found. It's very simple that we have selected or enabled our match case. If I'll be unselecting it, it will select the business. Okay. Can you see that? This has been searched for us. Yes. This also has been searched for us. So now I'll be writing or business BU, the capital B, right? Match case. So I'll be pressing business. So here it comes, and again I'll be pressing from the beginning. Again also it is searched, right? So I'll be writing businesses, replace all. Both will be replaced once. Businesses. No need to press again and again. Okay. So this was find and replace. Easy. Next is your jumping to the page number. Jumping to the page number, basically in the LibreOffice, we are pressing Ctrl G, right? If you press Ctrl G, so that will come here, right? And this is OpenOffice Writer. In the LibreOffice only. While pressing Ctrl G, we came up with this screen, and we can go easily to some of the page, right? Whatever is desired. Next is non-printing characters. You might be wondering what is this non-printing characters. So non-printing characters are these non-printing characters. You have a shortcut Control F10. If I'll be pressing Control F10, so you can see some changes have been made to the document. So let me zoom in so that I can show it to you. So what exactly is the non-printing? Non-printing characters, whenever you want to print the document, space and enter or shift or control the working of these keys never come in printouts, because these are the non-printing characters. You can see that after report I have pressed enter, okay, and after enter I have written this. Again after job fair, this I have pressed enter, means wherever I have used enter or space, right? So for enter they have given us this non-printing character, and for space they have given dot. Can you see that? After every word, dot has appeared because of the non-printing character is enabled. Okay, if I'll be pressing it again, it goes off simply, right? So with the help of toggle formatting mark, that is Control F10, you can easily enable it. Okay, next is checking spelling and grammar. Very much important, because in every software or application package it is already enabled. That means the autocorrect option is enabled, but spelling and grammar needs to be checked if you are doing some professional work, right? So let's take this paragraph, copying it here. So I have just copied the paragraph here. So let me just make the words as mistaken words, right? So spelling and grammar, spellings, documents, right? Writer, checker, correct. Okay, so these all are the mistakes which are intentionally done for just you to demonstrate you. So what I'll be doing, so in every software, or word writer, word processing tool or processor, in every software or computer application, the shortcut for spelling and grammar is same, that is F7. Press F7. Okay, so immediate after that the suggestions come up, okay, while pressing F7. So I'll be pressing this here. Let me select all of these. and after that I'll press F7, sorry, and F7. So side by side, port on paper. Sometimes WT is in red. Can you see that in the suggestions? The suggestions are given here, WT wet, WT or V, but we want V. So I'll press select from the suggestions V and change. So it got changed here, but not here. It will change after the all the amendments will be done. Remember. So I'll change it. After that, som. So some suggestions like same, shame, somi, som, some. So I'll press change. The spellings, or apostrophe spellings. Spelling is right. So spellings will click, and after documents, writer, it's writer, change it, correct, change it, checker spelling change, the spell check is complete, okay. So now the whole paragraph is in a very pure form without any grammatical error, okay. So this was the work of spelling and grammar, which was easily done by us and you too also. And after that, auto spell checker, let me show you the working of auto spell checker, what basically this means. So I'll be writing in a very lower case. So first of all, it will create it in a sentence case. This is this. So I've written this because this is the first word of the line of the sentence. So T must be, the initial letter must be capitalized. So I'll press space, and this has not, why this is not changed, because it must change, because this must be changed. Okay, no problem at all. Maybe the spelling and grammar, that autocorrect is off. So we'll this, I'll right click, and I'll see whatever the default formatting is. So I'll see if it is there. F7, option, check grammar as you type, check uppercase words, check words with numbers, hyphenate without. So these all were there, right? So I'm pressing 1, then it is not coming, maybe some error is there. So let's see the working of some autocorrect. First of all, make me the capital word, this, can you see that, these, writer. So what I'll be doing, I'll right click it, and this autocorrect option, right? So this is the autocorrect option, writer, okay, the writer, can you see that? While writing it again, the writer, WRITTER, I'm pressing space because I have enabled the autocorrect for writer. T already automatically goes off, right? This means the autocorrect option is enabled, right? So this was the working. So let me show you with these also. So autocorrect these. So whenever I'll write this THIESE, it will come like this, space these. Can you see that? The automatic changing is known as the autocorrect option, which was enabled by me only intentionally. Synonyms and thesaurus, right? So synonyms and thesaurus, synonyms are the similar words, right? And thesaurus is also given here, so you can easily right click, okay, synonyms. Writer means author, communicator, literate, or you want to go to thesaurus. Thesaurus is something which is the offline encyclopedia for you, right? So that you could have a meaning of the word, whatever you are writing, and you can change the language also, whatever is installed, okay? So writer here, suppose you want to wolf, I have written wolf, right? Wolf, Hugo Wolf, Compose, Wolf, Frederick August Wolf. According to the canine generic term is given to you, right? The alternative is given to you, right? So let's click on these synonyms. These, because these no thing is there, no alternate is there. Whatever is there, it will be displayed to you. Okay. Next is your formatting a document. It's very simple. Formatting a document needs to be done before creating a document. You have to go to format, then page. Page default page style will appear. Organizer, in the organizer, you have this default page and all, the name, then the page style. Okay. So while pressing page style, so this is the letter page style. Normally we used to do in A4 size. Okay, A4. The size width and height is this 8.27 inches into 11.69 inches. And you want to make a portrait or landscape, the preview will be coming here. Can you see that? I'm pressing portrait. The portrait in a very vertical form, it is in the horizontal form landscape. Okay. So paper tray from the printer setting only. Do not uh, do anything, any settings and all, because let the printer select the best option for printing. Next is page layout. Right to left, mirrored, only right, only left. So right and left. Okay. Format is 1, 2, 3 only, because continuous for printing we want. And the next is margins. Suppose you want to set the margin. Can you see this here? Very much, very large space is given at the left side top, right side also, and the bottom side also. So I want to decrease the margin. These are basically the margin, the cell padding. So left, I'll be decreasing it. You just see here the changes which are live getting previewed. 37. So at the right side also, this line will goes to the right side, because can you see that? Yep, same way. Top also. This will helps us in, you know, wasting our page and utilizing the page in a very productive manner. And next is background. You want to give any background color, you can give the background color. Okay. And you can even insert the graphic image also if you want to insert it, right? If you want to insert any picture or something, you can easily insert, right? Next is header on. If you want to insert any header or footer, like headers and footers are like whenever you are opening the page or any of the book, at the top of the page the chapter name is written with the book name, and at the bottom of the page the page number. That means the header and the footer. Okay, so if you want to apply, you can apply, otherwise it's up to you. Borders means you want to give any page line borders to this page. So this is for all side, this is left and right, this is top and bottom, this is only left. Okay, so suppose I have selected this all borders. After that I want to select the design. Here is the design, right? You can see easily what kind of design layout is getting displayed here. Okay, and next you want to change the color, you can change the color too also here with the help of the color schemes which are so provided to us. Spacing, make it as it is. Do not do any settings on your own. Then columns you want to column, let me show you after this. Okay, let me press OK. I have pressed OK. So can you see that the border has come, right? No header footer was there, but you just see this, that less space is utilized. See this. So now it won't be wasted. Now is the column. Column means you see this. This is in a table form, means we are showing the difference, right? That is, we have two columns. So likewise, we can uh, make this page in 2 columns or in 3 columns or in 4 columns, right? So let me show you. Go to format, then page, then columns, 2 column, 3, 2, that is in the left is greater than right, this is left is lesser than right. Okay, so you can do this. If you want to create 2 columns, you can 2 columns. Can you see that a single line is there, right? And the page is divided into 2 parts in the 2 columns. If you press Ctrl Z, the column will be goes off or undo. Clear? Next is, I have told you all these formatting text and all. Okay, suppose you want to remove all the formatting. Formatting means these were bold, italic, right? The font size was changed, or you have applied some color here, right? The color scheme will be changed. This one, right? I am just applying some color so that I could show you the working of clear formatting and all. Okay, so this is the highlighted text. In the highlighted text, I want the yellow, so at the background. So I want to, just clear all the formatting. So I'll press Ctrl A, simply Ctrl M. Can you see that? All the formatting which we applied on the document has gone, and if you want to undo it, Ctrl Z, it will come back. Okay, so that is Ctrl A and Ctrl M. Or if you want to clear the formatting to desired, so select and Ctrl M. So in the desired selected portion, it will goes off. Clear? Next is your bold, italic, underline. I told you how to apply. Changing the text case. Changing the text case. Suppose this is job tasks and responsibilities. Okay, and you just see it that I want to just make this job task and responsibilities in capital letters, in uppercase, all the letters. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to format, I'll go to change case, I'll go to uppercase. Can you see that the sentence case phrase has directly converted into the uppercase phrase. Okay, and so with education and experience, select it, go to format, change case, uppercase. Okay, or if you want to make it in a toggle case means one small, one capital, one small, one capital. Okay, it's not working properly. Next is capitalize each and every word, not every word, each and every letter of the each letter of every word, the first letter of every word, right? So next is superscript and subscript. Sorry, it's very much important. Superscript and subscript is basically yours. It helps you to write down some equations in science, from science. Just see to it. I'll be writing. Suppose I want to write H2O. So capital letters H2O. Okay. So 2 must be in subscript basically. So what I'll be writing, I'll select 2. Okay, and I'll come here and I'll click this subscript. So now the formula looks like from the science, right? And same way with 2 raised to power 15. So I'll select 15 and I'll click the superscript 2 raised to power 15. Can you see? So these are the subscript and superscript, right? Or this was from here, but you can go to format, right? And you have that subscript and superscript formatting is there. Okay. After that, I think the mail merge is there. Next topic, which is paragraph style. Paragraph style is very much important. Paragraph style, how you can create a style, how you can set the style technique of paragraph. So what you have to do, you have to just write down the paragraph, right? Select this paragraph, go to this this formatting toolbar. Under the formatting toolbar, styles drop down box is there, where you can select the different styles and all. Click heading 2 you want to apply. You want to apply heading 2, you want to apply heading 3. Okay. More. In the more, let me show you. If you are not pressing the more, what is the shortcut to open this styles and formatting? That is F11. Okay, so you press F11, it will come directly styles and formatting window, where you can apply different sort of styles, the built-in number of styles, create your own styles. Okay, with different sections. What sections I am, you know, um, talking about is, first is your paragraph styles, because we have a number of styles. Next is your character styles, frame styles, page styles, list style, that is your numbering styles. So I'll be double clicking it. Whatever format you deemed fit will be selected directly. Character style, see this, the fonts are getting changed. Or if you think this is quite good, or if you think in the quotation you must make all, I mean you want to increase the font size, so what you have to do, you can right click and modify it at any time. It is very easy, right, for you all. So just increase the font and press OK. So the font will be increased, double click it again, and it is successfully applied. Very simple. Got it? And if you want to create your own, so you just select the desired style, come up here, click on new style from selection, write down Sumit style, that is my style. Alright, so Sumit style is enlisted here, right click, press modify. Just do, this is your place to apply the formatting things. These all are the options. First one is organizer, next indent and spacing. Indent and spacing, this is the preview which will be going live. I'm increasing. You see the lines are getting away from left to right. This is after text, the space is giving after text, or first line after first line. Okay, this is paragraph style basically. So according to your requirement, alignment, you want to make it in a center, it will come in the center. Justified, the space will be filled left or right. Text flow, just do not touch this. Okay, next is your font style, font face, that is typeface, regular, bold, italic, whatever you want. Okay, so it goes live here. So just select any of the thing. This is a Vani font here, which is built in. It's not a built-in font basically. I have installed it, right, and this was very simple. Bold, italic, whatever is good, we just do it, right. And the font effects, that is colors and all you want to give. So different colors you want to give. Effects, just see here, capitals, lower, title, small capitals. Have you ever heard about small capitals? No, it's only in stencils, right? But in OpenOffice and in LibreOffice also. Relief, this is for colored printouts. Outline, you want to make it, no, this is not good. Shadow, some sort of shadow can be good to some text. Blinking, hidden, will not be displayed. Overlining means above the text. Any kind of line you want to show, dotted. Strike through is basically you want to show that the word is deleted, double line. Let me make this without, and after that single line, and the color is very bad, this one. And just a second. Alignment, yeah. Underline, any underline you want, or make it to the individual words. Can you see that the lines goes off on the spaces, right? So these all are, you must go practically here, just use it and press OK. So see this was applied successfully. But I'll be changing Sumit style, this is my style. Okay, Next is indenting. I have told you indent spacing and all. Indent spacing, I've already shared with you how to do the indent spacing and all. Alignment also done, right? Font color also done. Next, bullets, numberings. I just want to show you bullets and numberings. Suppose these are the 5 simple points. Uh, yeah, these are the 5 simple points, right? I'll select it, and the list style, I'll press numbering. Okay, numbering style, press enter, enter, delete, enter, delete, enter, delete. So 5 points are displayed, but you can change it at any moment by just right clicking and modify it. Bullets numbering style, these are the numbering styles you want, ABC, or you want these, right? Or you want these, or you can create your own graphic, right? These are the graphical representation, these are the icons which you want to insert, like void is there, circle, different. Let me just apply it first. Okay, and you see that the beans have come, right? Right click, modify it again, just change it. It is not looking good. Now this is a sort of decent points. Or if you want to create your own, again you want to insert the image which you downloaded from the internet, you can do it easily. Go to option, right? Graphics, select the file from the, that is from the file or from the gallery. It is there. Gallery is not present. From the file, right? It's not there. From the gallery. So this is the gallery basically. I want this star. So can you see this? It is applied successfully. Okay. So this is kind of numbering and all. You can easily put forward to make it more better in a representation mode. Page style formatting, I told you. This I told you. Header and footer told you. The styles and images can be added. Background can be added. Okay. Inserting an image, very important. So how, whether you can insert the image or not, it's very simple. That is, go to insert, right? So file, either you click on this file or you press picture from the file or from the scanner directly from the file, right? You press it. So there are many ways to insert the image. So you just select the image and it will be, displayed, or you direct click the gallery. So the gallery will come here. Computers, you want to insert, you can insert because we have a clipboard here. Environment, you can insert different images. V, right? The polar bear, you can. Okay, so like this you can easily insert the images and all. Inserting special character. So inserting special character, basically here they are given you non-printing character, right? So you want to insert the special characters. So go to insert, press the special character option, it will display here. Just scroll down, whatever is deemed fit, click and insert this one. Okay, so it will be inserted there simply. Okay. And next is your shapes. Different kind of pictures you can insert there, right? Different kind of shapes you can insert. And this bar is, you can delete this bar also, just right, you can insert the gallery. This is the gallery, or you go to tools and this is the gallery. Okay, and column is also done. You can make the column in 2 or 3 parts, or you can make the page in 2 or 3 columns, right? And next is, this is the table. You can create a table easily here. I told you earlier at the very starting of this video. You can go here, click whatever is desired, 4x5. This is the table. Just do the entries and all. Okay, or simply you want to insert the table, you go to the table menu, click on insert table, right? How many columns you want, how many rows you want, it will be inserted. Clear? So it's up to you. And next is, if you want to delete this row, this one, so just simply select, right click, okay, and or do not want to, click on the right click, so you just do one thing, click here, delete rows, this one, 2 rows, these 2 rows will be deleted. This is the column, this column will be deleted. Clear? So this column you want to delete, this column will be deleted. Now there are 3. Now I'll be deleting the second again. So here this table will convert it into 2 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Okay, so very simple, right? And you want to insert the rows and all, you just simply click here, and this is for inserting the row, this is for inserting the columns. I'm clicking again and again, right, in a row, so that I could show you the working of inserting the column in the rows, right? Deletion I've told you. Next is split the table. Okay, just deleting the column will make me, so this is one cell of a table. I want to split it into 2, right? I want to just split it into 2. So how I'll be doing it? Splitting the table is something which you should see, right? This is the table formatting and all, right? So what you have to do? You have to go to table, right? Split cells. Click on split cells. So split cell into 3. So I want 3. So here it will be 3. Can you see that? Right? Splitting it into 3. So the whole things are getting merged, and rest of the columns are merged and were merged in 3 rows. Okay. Next is merging. So I'll merge these 3 table, merge cells. So it's not showing here. Let me show you here the working. Table, merge cells. Can you see that the merging takes place, and instead of 3 rows I got 1 cell with a merged quantity. Next is copying a table. Copying a table is very much simple. Table, right? Select the table, right click, copy, paste. It is pasted. Simple. Control V, Control C. Okay. Next is moving a table. Go to table, select this one. You can select either like this, or you can just click select table and go to edit. You can move it by cutting it, but here Control X or Control X I am pressing, right? It's not going on because I think the selection has not done properly. Control X, Control V. Okay, so this has been done. Next is this was a practice. You must do printing. This is printing, how to print a document. So simply Suppose you want to print a document, press Ctrl P, right? Or you go to File and press the print button. So here the listing of your printer will come, right? Whatever is the printer, just click on the printer and it will get printed, right? Next is your mail merge. So mail merge will be done in the next video. I hope you understood it. Go through it, go through the video thoroughly, right? If you have any kind of query, just ask me. All right. Mail merge will be done in the next video. Okay. Stay tuned for the next video too. Thank you.